Good morning, vlogmas. Happy day 3. You gonna be in it? Say hi. This is Bella. Hi guys. You're being so good today. Maybe it's the weather. I don't know. Okay, go play. All right, so my apologies for the weird, bright, harsh lighting. It's literally overcast and cloudy today, so a whale. But I got a package, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I don't know who it's from. Ooh. Oh, peace out. Okay, wow. This brand emailed me. I haven't emailed back yet. This is crazy. Wow. So no, I didn't know the package was coming, but I love getting packages. Creating UGC and doing like influencer work, you do get to work with brands, and I think it's really cool when they do send out stuff. I really love the packaging. Anyways, okay, so my pajamas, but live unboxing for you. Ooh, I'm like obsessed with the packaging. Bella, what are you doing? What is that? Cute. Let me just show you guys. Cute. Oh wow, look at, they give you tweezers. That's cute and innovative. Would you look at that? All right, and then we have this Peace Out Day Acne Dot patches. There's 20 of them in here. That's amazing. Okay, wow. Cute. We love that because your girl has been picking at her skin lately because, you know, bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. But thank you, Peace Out. I got this spray and I'm really excited to use it. So I'm making breakfast at 4 p.m. because why not? I'm cold. I think I'm gonna make some coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Made some Phil's coffee. Oh yeah. I got the goods. So I'm remixing my eggnog latte from literally yesterday. So I'm adding some whipped cream and then topping it off with some cinnamon because why not? Oh, that one cracked. Do you guys ever eat food while your food is cooking because you're so hungry? You got shame. I'm eating cherry tomatoes with the artichoke sauce, the gin sauce. All right, I made 3 little poached eggs. Well, not poached, they're like over easy eggs. And then I'm just gonna make a little breakfast sandwich out of them. All right, so I have the eggs, and then I toasted some sourdough, and I put blackberry jelly on it, and then I'm gonna top it off with some cheddar cheese. Trust the process. All right, now I'm adding some classic shredded cheddar cheese on top, because I love a good sweet and savory combo. And then for spice, we're gonna add this like pepper plant sauce. It says shake well. And this one is the garlic flavor, so we're a little bit more savory today. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. Bon appetit. And just like that, we have breakfast at 4 p.m. Cheers. It says shake well, but like I don't want it to open, so I'm just like pinching it. All right, back to the eggnog latte. This is like piping hot coffee because I just reheated it, but here we go. There we go. I did not mean to do that. gosh, you guys, this looks amazing. And then I thought I'd have more of a sweet tooth after I ate breakfast, but I think this is gonna be enough. But I made peanut butter and Nutella chia banana bread, I guess you can say, banana toast. So yeah, these are my little sweet treats. Okay, I'm done. She's growling at all the dogs on TV. Come here. Now I'm just watching Vlogmas Day 2 on December 3rd. Miss Alicia Marie. Okay, so it is now 7 p.m. and I feel like I've done nothing today, but it's one of those like rainy days and chill kind of vibes. It's Saturday, it's the weekend, so I also keep procrastinating on my shower. So I meant to shower, eat dinner, and then watch Vlogmas videos. But I watched Vlogmas videos. Now I'm gonna eat because the food's here. And then I'm gonna shower. So I keep pushing it back. I just feel like unready for the day, but that just means I'm gonna have a really good nighttime skincare routine, so. I'm so excited for food. So I just took the shower of all showers. Like, double shampoo, hair mask, body scrub, like. And now I'm just putting on a brightening serum. I like to use all my acids and active ingredients at nighttime because I just feel like it just seeps into the skin a lot better. All right, I just put on this giant t-shirt and old Victoria's Secret pink sweats. It's just, I don't know, my winter combo is just wearing oversized baggy clothing. Dehydrated. Water after like a 3-hour shower is just superior. No, my shower wasn't 3 hours, but it felt like it. Guys, I promise I will do a full skincare routine during Vlogmas sometime. But right now, I'm just kind of rushing because I do want to edit and I do want to get to bed at like a decent time. So I promise that I'll film like an in-depth skincare routine for you guys. But for today's skincare routine, I just did extractions, I cleansed, I added a brightening serum like you saw, and then just a moisturizer, and then I'll probably just add lip balm, maybe spritz my face with some sort of mist, and call it a night. So I'm not fully gatekeeping, but I will do more of like an in-depth routine soon, so. What YouTube doesn't see